Alright, welcome everyone. That's where we're at so far. Got a couple of gear assemblies in place. I still hadn't quite figured out what the deal is with this one. I'm thinking, I'm not sure. But like I say, we'll have to figure that out as we go along. We're ready to start up on page 14. I keep meaning to start asking y'all to like, comment, subscribe at the beginning of the video rather than the end. So if you're digging what I'm doing, please subscribe and comment and thumbs up and all that good stuff. But now, for right now, I'm gonna set this stuff aside because we get to build on something else. Everything's off of page 2 on this page, so I need 44, 45, and 46. There's 46. 44 and 45. What do you look like? There's 45. And 44. It's 44. Look like it's sort of been dog-legged. There you are. And 47 and 48. 47 should stand out. Yeah, there it is. 7. 48. What am I doing? Trying to see. Yeah, there will be another 48 later on this page. And 48. 2 49s. These things are just hard to get off this on this one. Okay, there we go. 2 more 49s. Okay. Here and here. Okay. Will the poking stick do any better on getting those out of there? I don't know. Can't even get off with the poking stick. Let's see if that helps any. Maybe a little. Definitely easier on the hands. 50 and 51. So, and 51. And 50, what does 50 look like? Okay, little corner piece. Yeah, there you are. Okay. And 46. Another 46, I guess. Okay. Alright, I think that's all the pieces I'm going to need for this step. We'll find out as we go along if we have to. All right. My structure over here. Bring the lubrication station into play. Maybe a little bit more. All right. Now. Take you. And you like so. Nope. Nope. Ah, like that. This one goes, yeah, there we go. It goes in there. And then this guy goes in here. Should have done this one first. Okay, and then supposed to wax. Uh-oh. No, I wasn't. Okay. Accidentally did it right. There's a little dot there. It's supposed to be on this end. So I, like I said, totally by accident, I managed to get that right. Let's get some wax onto our brush here. Melt the old wax out. Just gently hit these guys. Hopefully hit gently. I'm gonna gum it up any. Yeah, I think that one would gum it up. Alright. Maybe that's good enough. My experience, the plunger ones aren't generally that, don't have that much difficulty. Oh, I forgot to pull the wick out of that one. Alright, let's see here. There, and what are we doing next? Taking this guy, you get that assembly into these holes. Tough one. Okay. Looks like it ought to go further. But it's flushed, pretty much flushed. Yeah. And then you go into, oop, like so. No. No. Like so. Here and there. That makes it easier to squish things together. Alright. Then we got you like this. Take the 49s. And they're oriented that way to the, well, into the square holes rather than the circle. Okay. This would be a really easy place to break something. Okay, so those guys like so. And we take these guys and just the opposite into there, and they go into those slots down at the bottom. Yep, I had a hunch. Come on. There they go. Okay. Come here, handy dandies. I got some stray splinters there. There we go. Okay. So now we take this guy. Learn from our mistakes. got my dot. Goes like that. Do this one first. Then this guy. Like so. And then more wax on these teeth. One page, 10 minutes. That's a bad start for this one. And, oh, I actually need the other 48. I noticed that earlier and I didn't continue. Quick sanding. Okay. Just like so. Goes in this one. Okay. And wait a second. Oh, I need to put wax. It's on this part of both of these. Okay. Whoop. So. This is going to be a slow process on this one if it continues this way. Okay. And here. Do a little better job of this side, maybe load it up a little bit better. Alright, now that's page 14 done. So, oh, yeah, so get to do more of that stuff on this one. So we need 4 more 49s. Where are they at? But I had all the 49s. Oh, wait a second. Ah, they're on page 3. That's okay. 49s or 22. Yeah, poke and stick. Maybe. And over here. Okay, that's all we need on this page. Maybe this will be slightly easier. Okay. We'll start assembling some bigger pieces then. And then this little piece right there. just like last time, this one to go so and so, and these guys so. So, okay. Now we take this guy and this guy. Okay, so you're you like so. Bring our this out here. This goes around it. And bring it around. Why would we not just bring it around? Start off with that there. This ain't am I doing that? Okay. So you go on here. Okay, then this goes into this slot. That stays in its little thing. That's all you do on page 15. Work this in a little bit. Wax get in. Okay. And then on to page 16. We'll take our other one. This one like so. This one goes. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah. Into this slot. This slot. Okay. Then we need 42. And what else do we need on? 42 is the one we need right now. That's here. We'll need 52, 53, and a 27. Which, okay, so there's 53. 52, where you at? Okay, 52 right here. And a 27, which is right here. This one. Okay. Okay, so now take our little assembly here. Okay, so those go there. And there, respectively. Go over this. Line up a lot of stuff on this one. There. Nope. Get you lined up. Come on. Okay, here. everybody. Okay, that clicked in there. This is okay. That's got the. This one. Okay. This one's got the gear assembly in it, so it can. Where's it catching? Oh, this thing. Okay, I see what it's doing. You. And then it's going to come over on this side. Hope. Okay. Yeah, that's how that's going to eventually work. Getting a little hung right there. And that could just be not enough support on. Feel like it's in a bind, but okay. But that's okay. We got that assembly in place. Then these guys, 27 goes on the short end here, and 53 goes right above it. That in. Nope, that's not deep enough. Another piece. The last one. Okay. Okay. 23 minutes. Only a few pieces on this one. Yeah, let's grab some more. One more. Get one more page in. Get 17 out of the way. Okay, on page 2. Need 55. 56. 58 and 59. And 2 57s. Then on 3, need, what are you, 54? Yeah, 54. Alright. Let's see here. Okay. Now we take our assembly from last time, and this guy oriented like so. Okay. You go through this long slot here, and this one goes that side. somebody has subscribed. I don't know if it's this channel or the next channel, but Mr. Cashmere has subscribed, and if you're watching now, this is when you subscribed. Okay. And this one, welcome. Was I supposed to put wax on any of that? I was supposed to wax this one. So that's still exposed. I'm safe. And 57. Let's go here and here. Through there. 59. This is 58. Goes up top. And 59. Out here. This 8 has the dots and 9 has the parentheses. Oops, I missed those two 27s. Ah, yep, they were hidden over here. Poke and stick. There you go, guys. You guys go on this one. Boop. And boop. Okay. Oh, and let's see. Then wax on those last two. Those 27s I just put on. While I'm doing this, I am going to put just a tad more wax on that, the corners of there. There and just a little more, just to hopefully free things up a little bit better. Yeah, that feels better already. I'm curious to see what happens with this. Oh yeah, we're rolling now. That was all it needed, just a tad. Alright. So that concludes page 17. We got us a fine assembly of pieces at this point. And I think 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, 14, 15, 16, 17. 4 pages. That seems to be about what I'm doing. Let's see. No, I thought if they were going to assemble these together I might do 18, but it's got some pre-assembly before the assembly. Alright, but anyways, thanks for watching everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. I got it right this time. Bye y'all.